I think there was a lot of exciting developments that took place this week. Not only was obviously a lot of excitement because of the recent rise in the price of Bitcoin and other crypto assets, but also a lot of excitement over some of the latest developments. For example, this increasing entry of institutional players, and some of the announcements that were made this week are quite exciting. There's obviously a lot of enthusiasm from that perspective. So this year, less people, more quality. I think we moved on from the ICO and some of the funky projects to having institutional players and institutional investors, and that's very exciting. I think the crypto industry went from being a baby to a toddler last year. I think this year is the year it's going to go from a toddler to a bit more mature toddler. And I think this is why there's a lot of things that we need to put in place. Elements like KYC, AML, know your client, anti-money laundering. Frankly, the last thing that the crypto ecosystem needs is a big incident where we found out money is being laundered to the crypto ecosystem, and that's going to take the crypto ecosystem years, 1 or 2 years back. A bit like we saw with when Mt. Gox happened in 2014, how the industry went back, and I think that's the last thing the crypto ecosystem needs, and definitely doesn't deserve that. Obviously, mass adoption is one of the big critical issues. The big question that this week was being discussed is how we're going to bring it to the billion users. And actually, that's a very interesting point. Many people believe is by having some of the better custody solution, some of the better on-ramp solutions, or frankly, have some of the big players who have already a billion users come in the market. Some of the recent news, from the large technology players coming in to some of the more institutionalized retail providers coming in the market, may be the catalyst that the industry may see over the coming months and years. We're going through a very exciting time in the crypto ecosystem. I think a couple of things I'm watching over the next couple of months is increasing regulatory clarity, which is very good. Second, increasing entry of institutional players. And I guess third one is actually more solutions, good B2C solutions for the market, which again are beneficial, and it's a win-win-win solution.